Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. In today's eyeshadow look, I will be changing this look, which is up on YouTube, into something else. You can take a one color eyeshadow look, and if you need to change it up, you can just add something to it, add a little shimmer to it, and it will become something different. So with today's look, which is my one color eyeshadow look, now I'm ready to change it into something else, bump it up and make it sexier than what it is now. So I'm working with the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to use one of these colors in here. I don't know which one yet. So let us learn which one together. I will start and we will see what we come up with, because we need to make this something different. One color keep reaching out to me, keep reaching out to me, keep reaching out to me. Two colors are reaching out to me, so I might use both. Let's see. This is a foil. Let's try this foil and see. I'll put it right here. This is looking pretty. Oh my god. I am glad I chose it, because it is gorgeous. We are definitely changing this look to the bump up section. Wow. I got this palette. I did a few looks from it, but I haven't used all the colors. So I'm trying to do one color eyeshadow looks for you and then two color eyeshadow looks, so you can see which one you like. You can switch it up back and forth. This is so cute. Very careful not to look too crazy. From this to this. Oh, beautiful. Okay, to the next one. And then we'll fix it with a brush. I am a princess and a queen. I'm feeling like a queen with this makeup. I'm already a queen, but this is like confirming you are the queen. Love! This one I went a little bit not far enough, so I'll fix it too much. Try to match as close as possible, because both eyes are different in size. So I try to match as close as possible as I can. I don't go crazy trying to match, I just want them to look presentable. This golden hair is called Nubia. Nubia is pretty. blend it because I already have all the other stuff that I need on my face. So I'm just showing you how to change this one color eyeshadow look into something else. Oh, I wish I was going dancing. Oh boy, that'd be like showing up in the club. Party, party, party everywhere. Dance time, dance time. Time to go dancing. I think the dancing place has been open. I'm just trying to match both eyes. Love this gold. This gold is pretty. Oh my goodness. I have nowhere to go today. I have nowhere to go today. This look is changed from one thing to the other. Now I put a little highlight to match. So I'm going to take the same Nubia and I'm going to use it as some highlighter right here. I take my powder brush so I can fix this. And this is the complete look for this segment of this eyeshadow look. I took a one color eyeshadow and changed it into a two color eyeshadow. I used a darker blush and a darker lip color to go with the rest of the face. And this is what blush I use. I changed my blush to this color. Gold from this palette is, this Nibia gold is gorgeous. I'm not sure if I show it to you yet, but this is what Nibia gold look like. This gold is gorgeous. I will swatch. It's a foil. It's not a shimmer, it's a foil. This is the gold. This is the gold. Pretty. I cannot say it. This gold is pretty, pretty, pretty. I hope you understand what I am saying. Juvia's place, I love. This is the other color I have. So these are the two colors I have right now. This is the end of this. I'm loving this. This is really nice. I would go dancing with this thing in a minute. Oh, let's take off my teeth. I would go dancing with this in a minute. Beautiful. Well, this is our segment where we find some motivational, encouraging words. Please love self plenty. Take care of self. Love self first before you can love another. An empty cup cannot pour out anything. If your cup is empty, you cannot share. You can only share an overflowing cup. Please like, please share, please subscribe. And hopefully I have no lipstick on my teeth. We'll see you in another video. I am loving this look. I am loving this look. This look is beautiful. And I love it. I love this. Oh my God. I am just in love with this. This is it. This is it. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon.